So we just got home. It is 2 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. That's the first time walking in. The garage is completely crazy. I'm gonna flip this thing around and we will walk upstairs and see what things look like. There is a ton of noise from these giant fans. Huh? So all the kitchen cabinets are in the dining room. Well, not all of them. All of the living room furniture has been moved to one side. Room furniture's in the living room.
Oh, they did pack everything up.
They pulled up the carpet in the living room and cut out the carpet pad and the carpet tack. They've cut out the first foot of all of the walls for the dining room, the kitchen, the living room, all the way over to past the center of the living room. Not that it should matter that much, but it seems like they kind of knocked down some of our decorations. Sad day. So the entire living room is going to have to be repainted after all these repairs. The baseboard in the living room is old cedar, which is going to be hard to find and put back up. There's crap everywhere that we're going to have to clean up. Looks like they took out the trim on the back wall of the dining room, but didn't feel the need to cut the wall out. There's some more of our little decorations blowing around. All this water damage by the back door is probably old, but kind of hard to tell. This is going to end up being a lot of cleanup, and we're probably going to need a dumpster for a lot of this stuff. Hopefully insurance will pay for that. They left a big chunk of the kitchen floor, which is fine, I guess. That's all going to have to come out. This appears to be where the leak actually came from. Everything's still cold, so that's good. These cabinets are destroyed. I mean, they made it sound like they were cut out and could potentially go back in, but that can't go back in. That's trashed. I don't understand why they left this stuff for me to have to clean up. If they brought a dumpster, the stuff should have all gone. Not sure how my little plants fared. I had a little plant that I've been growing for quite some time. I don't see it anywhere. This carpet is extremely stained right here. There's no way that can be reused. So all of this should have been cut out.
was where everything should go. There's a bunch of our Funko Pops underneath heavy things that shouldn't be squished. Your expensive ass crystal decanter is just thrown in on top of a PS2.
Yeah, I don't understand why any of this stuff actually got moved up here. It basically could have stayed where it was in the living room. The stuff just needed to be moved over.
So hopefully none of our stuff is totally jacked up that shouldn't have been destroyed. Well,
That's it for now. I might turn the camera back on, but we've got some stuff to deal with. So my garage is soaking wet again and leaking. They left the water off. The guy told me on the phone that they turned the water back on and everything was fine. When we got here, it was off. So I turned it on so we could, use our water. And immediately it started spraying water out of the kitchen sink. One of the valves was turned on, wide on. And yeah, so the floor in the kitchen is soaking wet, and all our stuff in the garage that was dry, that's had fans on it for 2 or 3 days, is soaking wet again. So that's freaking super. This is a problem. Here is all the water in the kitchen that came out of the kitchen sink area when I turned on the water that the guy told me was left on for us. All the floor is wet in here again. All the subfloor is now wet, and it leaked like crazy down into my garage.